Hello everyone, this is Kanmaid. This time I made a ZIL 130, but not just any ZIL, it's got 600 horsepower just like academics. To make the ZIL 600 horsepower, Academic had to use a different engine and an automatic transmission. Everything is the same here, except for the rear axle. He left it stock from the factory, decided not to remove it. I built the engine here myself. Let's look under the hood. The engine is sunk into the frame, so you have to look inside due to the design. I made the ZIL out of children's colored modeling clay and sculpting clay. I made it thin and stuck foil on the other side of the parts so the clay would hold its complex shape and not sag. Using foil, I crafted the doors, fenders, hood, roof, and rear container. If it weren't for the foil, it would have fallen apart a long time ago. I also made this one functional. It can drive and I'll make it a working chassis. I made this one for a crash test. I'll crash into it with that same remote-controlled car, which can reach speeds of up to 40 kilometers per hour. I also did a review on it, so if you haven't seen the video, I'll leave a link in the description. I don't even know how it's going to break. I reinforced the frame with wire, so it should be strong. Maybe when it hits, it'll just bend in half. Well then, let's get started. No, not here. That was a weak impact. The front wing came off. It also dented the radiator grille and the hood a bit, and the front wheel got bent as well. You can even see the engine. That's rough. Even the rear container got bent. Well then, let's crash head on one more time. So who wanted the head-on collision? Here's an excellent collision for you. Exactly what we needed. The engine is now so exposed, you can even take a look at the timing belt. The impact was intense. What speed is needed to crush a real 300? Alright, now let's crash into the driver's door. The hit was so strong it tore out the drive shaft and bent the rear axle. That's the kind of deals we're talking about. It took some serious damage, of course. The cab suffered the most because there were no strong structural elements there. Well, the crash test is over. Now I'll show you photos of its assembly. Let's go. Well, let's wrap it up here. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, why not give it a like and subscribe to the channel?